Hey everybody, welcome back to Cape Fear Koi. Today we're going to catch a bunch of fish. We're going to move some fish from the main pond and move them into the sail pond. I got these fish with the intention that I wasn't going to keep them long term, and so today's the day we got to move them. We're going to use some special nets today, specifically used to catch koi and move koi. A lot of people use regular fishing nets. They can be pretty abrasive on the fish. They can rip their fins, pull their scales, kind of cut them, and that's an invitation for bacteria and fungus, and it's just bad for the fish. So I wanted to show you what nets I'm going to use in case you're interested in them, and you can comment in the list below to see if you have any questions for them. This here is actually I'm going to run with the first one. This is the pan net. This particular one is 30 inches. They come in 24 inches and up to 36. So they're really good for getting under a fish, having it lay in the bottom with really good support. They don't thrash around. It has a pretty fine mesh overall, and it just does a really good job, and it doesn't spook them so much. There's a lot less drag when you have to run this through the water. If you were to have a larger net, say a standard fishing net. Now we're going to use this net just to kind of guide a couple fish, since the pond is so large. We're going to just put this down, but if I were to pull this through the water, for one, it leaves a huge, a lot of drag, and it's just a big giant sock in the water, which actually spooks the fish too. So you don't want that. Even though it has a fine mesh, it's not bad. In general, it becomes an issue. These, what is this now? So I'm 6'4", this is sitting at about 6.5 feet. This goes out to, I think it's about 14 feet. My pond is 14 feet wide, so I can actually take this and go from one end to the other. This is a super useful net right here. Once I transfer the fish to me, once I bring them in, I will be able to use this net, which is a sock net. These are really good for supporting your fish. When the fish get big, that's a lot of weight. If you were to pick them up, you'd be putting a lot of weight on their organs and then also stress on their back. This particular one holds water. They make them that's more of like a mesh also, but this one holds water. I like this one better because when I scoop my fish, I actually have water, and it's still free swimming in water, and a lot better support system. If I want to, if I have too much water and it's too heavy, because it could easily reach 40 pounds, I just lift up and a little bit of water comes out the backside here. And it's always important to go head first so you don't have any resistance against their fins and scales. So I will typically have my fish in, and then I can just scoop them head first, bring them through. He's in, give a little turn, transfer, and then he's ready to go. So we're going to show you that today. All right, now we're going to go catch some fish. Okay, so we're going to start putting the nets in. We have Nicole on the other side. She's going to help guide the fish. A lot of times they like to go behind all of the pots back there. So she's going to help keep them out. this in the viewing bowl. Put a little extra water in there to that'll help it come out a lot easier. Be real easy. So it's a little pink right now because of the stress, chasing it, moving it. With the whitefish, they show their blood vessels when stressed out, but that'll disappear once relocated.
Michael!
What up, what up? Dingo! This will be awkward.
I'm going to take him out. You ready?
Yeah, let him.
Uh-huh. I am. You've done a little perfect to them.
Smooth.
Make sure that doesn't get hurt.
Put your net on top, maybe.
obviously this one's a female. You can see she's gravid, aka holding eggs. She's pretty plump. She has pretty good body conformation, but when you look at her backside here, you can see it turn. She's starting to get a belly. Watch out. Quality control.
Oh. Frankie. Frankie.
Okay, so it's next day. All the fish are doing well. They've been eating. They've probably eaten 3 times already, and no issues, no stress. The white one there, the color's gone back to normal, and everything's good. So just wanted to give you an update. Here they are down there, just doing their thing. So that does it for this episode. And we just want to thank you for being part of us and being with us and just enjoying the videos. We do it for fun. We just really enjoy being in the hobby. And if you like them, please give a subscribe and also hit the thumbs up button and then hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, any comments, or anything at all, just feel free to say hi down below. And well, I guess that about does it. So thanks a lot. We'll see you next time, and thanks for being part of Cape Fear Koi. See you.